Hello, in this video I'm going to walk you through important features of our Canvas course for ESL 097. Canvas is where you can find the syllabus, view your grades and calendar, and much more. To use Canvas, go to mesacc.edu. At the top, you can click Canvas. Type your MEID and password. You'll see different tiles. These represent different courses that you're taking. Choose our class. The home page is very important in our class. For now, it's the welcome page, but it may not always stay that way. The first thing you want to do when you are in our Canvas course is read the whole page. Modules are also important. Modules are like books. I can open and close them. Inside each module, you'll see pages. Click on the first one to get started. And click Next to see what's next. If at any point you want to go back and view your modules options, click Modules. The syllabus is important. This is not only the handout I gave you the first day, but it also links to the assignments that are due. Speaking of assignments, you can view many of them by clicking Assignments. I don't update grades often on Canvas, but when it is updated, you can view them in your grades. Last but not least, you'll want to know about the calendar. This shows not only assignments and quizzes coming up in my class, but other classes too. I don't use Canvas messaging, so don't communicate with me here. Instead, use your email. To return to the home page, click Courses, and then choose our class again. I hope this gets you started in using Canvas. I expect you to be on Canvas frequently. Thank you.